Hi, I'm Phoebe Cohen. I'm a paleontologist and a professor at Williams College. And today I'm going to show you how to turn yourself into a science GIF. So why is this important? Well, for those of us who love Twitter and love being goofy, GIFs are an amazing resource. However, many of us notice that most of the GIFs on Twitter, which often come from the Giphy platform, are of men. And if you search for science or scientist or geologist or geology and terms like that on Giphy or on Twitter's GIF app, you will find mostly men. So we wanted to do something about that by creating our own GIFs that better represent the diversity of science and scientists. Okay, so the first thing you have to do when you want to make a GIF is you have to take a video. Now, it's actually not okay to take video from, say, a movie or a TV show and make that into a GIF. Giphy frowns upon that because of copyright issues. So today we're going to focus on making your own original content. The best GIFs are short, punchy, and a little bit silly. So what you're seeing here now is a few seconds of a much longer video I took of myself cuddling with all of my extinct animal plushies. As you can see, I have quite a collection of both vertebrates and invertebrates. And I always take a lot more video than I'm actually going to use because you never know which few seconds are going to end up being the best to make a GIF. So Twitter and other applications use the website Giphy to pull GIFs from. And so if you upload a GIF on Giphy, it will eventually show up when you look for GIFs in Twitter. So this is what the Giphy page looks like. And I'm already logged into my account. You're going to need to create an account in order to make GIFs. And so here I am, the Diversify Science GIF account. And I'm going to go to Create. So I've used a video. So I'm going to click on Choose Video. I think it's this one. And it's going to upload the entire video, which could take a little time. So it's best to trim your video before you bring it up into Giphy, which I didn't do a very good job of. So it might take a few minutes for Giphy to load the video. There it is. Okay, so here's the whole video. And over on the right here, it's giving you instructions on how to trim your video. Remember, GIFs should be short. So duration and start time are going to help you figure out the beginning and end of your GIF. So here's a GIF that it's showing me right now, 4 seconds long. I sort of like the ones in the end here where I'm being a little goofier, so I'm just going to kind of scroll around. So the beginning of that was pretty good, but I'm going to trim it. I'm sort of a 2-second GIF person, so that's pretty good. Here I am looking very happy with all of my little stuffies. So the next thing we're going to do is go to Continue to Decorate. And this is where you can put in things like captions, stickers, etc., etc. So here you can put in a caption like, I love dead things. And you can change it to sort of meme text, pixel text, etc., etc. You can even do this weird one, which I don't really understand, but whatever. We'll go for default. And then down here, you can make it wavy, you can make it sparkle, you can make it rainbow, etc., etc. So you don't need a source URL because this is an original video, but the really important thing here are the tags, because this is how people usually find GIFs via Twitter and other apps, is by searching tags. So you want to add as many as you can, and you want them to be as specific as you can. So I'm going to put in fossils, paleontology, paleontologist, scientist, science. Let's add all those. So here they are showing up down here, and they've already got the hashtags. You don't have to do that. Let's do extinct and dead things and women in STEM, women in science, women paleontologists. And you can go back and add tags later to GIFs that you've uploaded onto your account too. So you don't need to think of everything right now. Make sure that it's public so that people can find it. And we're going to give this a G rating because there's nothing explicit or inappropriate about it at all. And then we're going to upload it. So it's going to take a little while for it to show up on searches. So be patient, but eventually it will. And you can copy the link or embed it or do any of those things that you would like to do right from your Giphy account. but it will take a little bit of time for it to show up on, say, Twitter's GIF search feed. And that's it. That's how you make a science GIF. So I encourage you to all go forth and GIF. We would love to have a broader array of types of people with science GIFs available to use on Twitter and other platforms. And we just want more. We want to see more of you. So go ahead, make your GIFs. Hope this tutorial was helpful, and we'll see you on the internet.